Nestled on the west slope of Duthie Hill Bike Park, Semper Judicus is a trail you don't want to miss. Start off on a raised wooden platform and get ready for jump features that increase in difficulty as you head down trail. For intermediate and advanced riders who want to improve their skills lap after lap, Semper checks all the boxes. In the middle portion, a narrow step down leads to a large hip, which turns the corner for a big and buttery smooth gap jump. A wooden step up and an intimidating but satisfying wall ride finish it off. No matter the season, Semper is a joy to ride. Add in some directional whoops and a slippery wooden tabletop, and you've got it made. Thanks for riding Semper with me today. If you like this trail and want to see more like it, just click like and subscribe. My name is Claire Jenks, and I'll see you out on the trails.